Well, welcome to our special coverage from here at India Gate, where in just under an hour from now, Team Anna has called a kind of a victory rally, as it were, to celebrate what they see as a huge victory, with the Indian Parliament agreeing to look at those three contentious issues in a resolution that was passed yesterday. And already the crowds are building up behind us, and we do expect many more people to come in the next few minutes. I'm Nidhi Razdan, and joining us now live from our studios in Delhi is someone who's played a key role in this entire issue in the last few weeks. We have Dr. Kiran Bedi, who joins us now. I'm sure you must be relieved and a little more relaxed today, Kiran Bedi. We heard you praising Parliament yesterday during the course of the day as this debate and discussion was underway. What would you say at the end of the day this movement has achieved?
Well, it's made us value our Parliament. It's made our listen to one of the finest speeches ever. Brilliant speeches. I loved Mrs. Sushma Swaraj's speeches. I loved those speeches. It's been such a great learning. I wanted to, it's revived our faith in our elected representatives. It's also enabled us to say, well, it's actually exposed two powers. Power of we the people and power of we the people electing we the elected, and how they become two sides of the same coin, and how essential it is both to listen to each other. I think that was a great, clear message. But it cannot be single. It cannot be just we the people, and it cannot be we the elected. I think the message was both need to hear each other, both need to understand each other, both need to listen to each other. Only then the country will get the best delivery. I think that was the message.
Now, there are some people who will, however, when they look at what has been achieved in the last 24 hours, they'll say that you and your team haven't entirely got your way either. If you look at the substance, now, for instance, initially you wanted the bill to be passed by Parliament by the 30th of August. That's not going to happen. You didn't want the bill to go to the standing committee, and you wanted the standing committee to be bypassed. That is not going to happen. And so, in effect, some would say, at the end of the day, Parliament has got its way and you necessarily haven't. How would you respond to that?
I'm glad if Parliament has had its way, but in the process, we have a commitment from the Prime Minister, and we have a resolution, a unanimous resolution from the Parliament on the three key issues which Anna was absolutely not willing to negotiate on. One, the Lok Ayukts in the states. Second, the Citizen Charter, and the third, the grievance redressal. This is the Aam Aadmi all the time, which Anna was talking about from day one. While the media and the others are focusing on the Prime Minister, the judiciary, the MPs on the floor of the House being charged for corruption. So I think Anna has got what he wanted. You can now decide on the Prime Minister, and you can decide on the judiciary. Actually, the group had already said we are open to an effective judicial accountability bill. So between the two, there were only two things left: the Prime Minister and the third thing was the MPs on the floor of the House. I think this can be decided by the Parliament. But what for common man Anna was raising his voice, and the entire country was coming around with him, is Lok Ayukts, so that there is a similarity of a system in all the states in this country, as some states don't even have a Lok Ayukt, and some states have a Lok Ayukt but don't have the Chief Minister. I think Anna has got what he asked for, if you ask me honestly.
But let me ask you though, you have a lot of words of praise for Parliament today. You said that you found it to be a wonderful debate. You have huge and high praise for parliamentarians today. But just a few days ago, that's not exactly what you said. I mean, you've come in for a lot of criticism for what you said on stage at the Ram Leela ground when you covered your face with a dupatta and you said that politicians are double-faced, they have a mukhota. And, there's been a strong backlash against what you said then. When you look back, do you regret that?
Nidhi, you have to take that act of mine in reference to the context. There were too many things going on at the same time. You had thousands of people looking up to Anna for a resolution. And you had Anna on the 11th day of the fast. You had representatives coming to Anna and saying, we will do it, but doing something very different. Because the Parliament on the first day when they met did nothing. I think there was a total upsurge, and it was an outcry. Who do we believe in? And I tell you, a miracle happened. I got a call when all this happened, and that is what it was one out. You see, you on the television only get a small screen. I was facing thousands of people, and they were saying, ye kab hoga? किसमें विश्वास करें? I think that's what turned it around. And I said, विश्वास करें, फिर आप लाइन में क्यों लग जाते हैं वोट के लिए अगर विश्वास नहीं है? Well, it left it at that. it was like an outcry of absolutely a trust deficit.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.